Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna learn English through the cartoon called HEYYA. The best part of this video is that I translate each word into Spanish, Russian, Chinese, and also Bahasa Indonesia. With this video we are also going to learn some Portuguese. That is really exciting, right? So now, let's get started.
And you know what? I hate samba.
Oh! You may hate samba too, but you have to love learning English, and especially with LinguistON. So before we begin, subscribe.
Hey, HEYYA, tudo bom?
Oh wait. Yeah. I am not from here.
Hey, Nico, he's a tourist. Funny, you don't look like one.
Really? I don't?
Except you got pigeon doodle on your nose.
Oh, no, this is just SPF 3000.
The first phrase is in Portuguese. E aí, tudo bom? E aí means something like hey, and tudo bom means what's up. The similar expression can be tudo bem. Tudo bem also means like what's up. Next word is doo-doo. It means poop, feces. In Russian, it will be kakashka, in Spanish, kaka, in Chinese, shu, and in Bahasa Indonesia, kotoran.
So, are you here for Carnival?
Actually, I'm just here to meet a girl.
Oh, a girl.
Yes.
Little word of advice, you make the first move. Brazilian ladies respond to confidence.
Oh, right.
Yeah, it's all about swagger. You gotta pop out that chest, swing that tail, eyes narrow, like some kind of crazy love hawk.
But first, we gotta bust you out.
What?
Yeah, I'ma pop that cage open like a soda can.
Next word is swagger. It means a very confident, arrogant, aggressive gait or manner. In Russian it will be развязность, in Spanish pavoneo, in Chinese chuai, and in Bahasa kesombongan. Next word is bust out. It means to escape from a place, especially like oftentimes prison. Next word is pop. In this case, it is a verb. It means to make a light, explosive sound. In Russian, it will be хлопнуть, in Spanish, explotar, in Chinese, Poultry, and in Bahasa, meletus. Next word is soda cap. So, for example, you have, let's say, some kind of bottle here, and this thing over here, that's called a cap. In Russian it will be крышка, in Spanish gora, in Chinese mao, and in Bahasa topi.
No, that's okay. Whoa.
You call that popping?
Woo, this thing's robust.
No, guys, really, I'm fine. The cage is great. Love the cage.
Tá bom. Suit yourself.
Hey, don't forget, love hawk.
Bem-vindo.
Yes, and to you as well.
Next word is robust. It means strong, hard, solid, healthy, tough. In Russian, крепкий, Spanish, robusto, Chinese, 坚纯, and in Bahasa, kuat. Next word is debo. It means a person who is ineffectual, timid, and oftentimes luckless or without luck. Next expression is suit yourself. It's an expression used to mean do what you want to do. For example, let's imagine that you graduated high school and you don't know what to do, and your friend can say, suit yourself. Like, you can find a job, work, or you can go to university. So whatever you choose, it's up to you. Next expression is Portuguese, bem-vindo. It means welcome. So those birds, they mean welcome to Rio.
Quem é você? O que você está fazendo aqui? ¿Qué?
You're standing on my throat.
Oh, you're an American.
Thanks. I need my throat for talking, so thank you.
You look like me.
Oh. Hi. Hi. My name is Blue. You know, like the cheese. With the mold on it. You know, that smells really bad. That's stupid. Stupid.
The following phrases, sentences, again, are Portuguese. So, quem é você? It's who are you? Quem is who? É comes from the verb ser. Você is like you. And then, que se está fazendo aqui? Que is what? Like, what are you doing here? Se is informal way of saying você. And está comes from the verb estar. Fazendo comes from the verb fazer. And aqui is here. Next word is mold. I cannot actually explain what it is, but I will put a picture of it right here. For example, if we take bread and we store it for a really long time, like not in the fridge or anywhere, so it will be spoiled and there will be like some green, blue stuff on it. So that stuff is called mold. In Russian, it will be plesень, in Spanish, molde, in Chinese, mei, and in Bahasa, cetakan.
Get out of here, you putrid poultry!
Next word is putrid. It means nasty, rotten, spoiled, decayed, stinky, or smelly. In Russian, it will be гнилой, in Spanish, podrido, in Chinese, fу, and in Bahasa, busuk. Next word is poultry. It means domestic fowl. For example, it can be chickens, geese, turkeys, etc. In Russian, it will be домашняя птица, in Spanish, aves de corral, in Chinese, тятин, and in Bahasa, daging undas.
I'm not interested in your knick-knacks. Your burgled baubles bore me. There are 2 blue macaws out there, and I need your multitude of eyes to help me find them.
Oh, yeah? What's in it for us?
Well, that's a fair question. Let's discuss it.
Next word is nick. It means to steal something. In Russian, it will be красть, in Spanish, robar, in Chinese, tou, and in Bahasa, mencuri. Next word is knick-knack. It means a small, worthless thing or object. In Russian, it will be безделушка, in Spanish, chucheria, in Chinese, xiao ji, ciao, and in Bahasa, pernak pernik. Burgle bauble. Well, actually, this word consists of 2 words. The first one, burgle, it means to break into and steal. And bauble, it's a little bit complicated. If a piece of clothing, typically wool, baubles, then it means that it develops small balls of threads. So for example, I'll try to, to draw a sweater. So if it bubbles, it means there will be some, balls of thread. So these balls of threads, they are called baubles. Next word is multitude. It means a crowd, plurality, a large number of people. This word is shortened from people. In Russian, it will be множество. In Spanish, multitud. In Chinese, туошу. And in Bahasa, orang banyak. Next word is wise. It means immoral, wicked, criminal behavior or activities. Also, it can mean flaw, defect, sin, or evil. In Russian, it will be порок. In Spanish, vicio. In Chinese, фу. And in Bahasa, vakil.
Blue, what's wrong?
Nothing. Everything's perfect. You'll be off to the rainforest. I'll be back with Linda just like we planned.
Hey, birds, stop yapping and start flapping. Let's go!
I guess I thought maybe...
What, that you'd come to Minnesota? Great, I guess I'll knit you a scarf.
No, that's not what I meant.
Next word is yap. It means to talk, chatter, chat. In Russian, it'll be болтать. In Spanish, charlar. In Chinese, liao tian shi. And in Bahasa, berbicara. Next word is flap. We say flap, the verb flap, of a bird. When a bird moves its wings up and down, flying or preparing to fly. So it will be like this. And in Russian, it will be взмахивать. In Spanish, aletear. In Chinese, тиньи. And in Bahasa, menepakan. Next word is knit. It means to make clothes by using two long needles. I will just, try to maybe somehow draw it. So here we have like two needles, and then we have some material, like especially wool. So we just stick those two needles, and we knit. And then we get some cute clothes, like, sweaters with bubbles on it. In Russian, this knit word will be вязать. In Spanish, tejer. In Chinese, чанчу. And in Bahasa, меражут.
In English!
Linda, you gotta shake your douchey!
No! We don't shake our tushies in Minnesota!
Next word is a Portuguese word. It is rebola. And it means to move your body, to dance, and especially to dance with your ass. So it's similar, I guess, to work. And the infinitive version of this form of this word will be rebola. It's an infinitive. And the last word for today's lesson is tushy. It means buttocks, butt, ass. I'm not gonna draw it, I guess, or shall I? In Russian, it will be popa. In Spanish, nalgas. In Chinese, tumpu. And in Bahasa, pantat. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this video till this moment, till the end. And don't forget to subscribe, to click on the bell so that you would not miss out any of my new videos. Also, don't forget to support me with like and comment something really positive, something really good in comments. Maybe you have some questions. I'd love to answer your questions. Guys, I'll see you next video.